Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmoud Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, Lesson 1 and 2. Class 7, Subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, Topic Chapter 7, Lesson 1 and 2, Term Annual, Teacher Mahmoud Rahman. This is your lecture number 24. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 24. This is my messenger ID and this is my phone number 01735 852285. Let's start our discussion. Chapter 7, Lesson 1 and 2. The name of Chapter 7 is Climate of Bangladesh. At first, we will have the definition of weather and climate. Weather, the natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm, etc. is called weather. Climate, the average weather of 30 or 40 years of a particular area is called climate. So the student, here 2 points, 2 words are very important: the average weather and particular area. So the climate of different areas may be different, so you should keep in mind while you memorize the definition of climate. Now, Lesson 1, Climate of Bangladesh. I will discuss only some key points from this lesson. Number 1 point, Bangladesh is situated in the tropical region. Its climate is tropical monsoon. Neither the winter nor the summer is severe here. The summer is warm and rainy and the winter is dry. Point number 3, usual temperature in Bangladesh during winter is 11 degree to 29 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it comes down to 4 degree to 5 degrees Celsius in north and northwest region. The next point is the average highest temperature of Bangladesh in summer is 34 degrees Celsius and the average lowest is 29 degrees Celsius. In the rainy season, wind blows with vapor from the south and southwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. This is called summer monsoon. The next point, Sylhet Chittagong. You know that recently the name of the district Chittagong has been changed to Chattogram, and Cox's Bazar experience heavy rain. On the contrary, Rajshahi, Pabna and Kustia have comparative low rainfall. The next point, April to May and October to November are the high times for tornadoes and cyclones. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate, which means the presence of favorable and adverse weather is equal here. That means in our country, both the favorable and adverse weather exist, and as a result, due to favorable atmosphere, favorable weather and climate, our country is called evergreen. We grow crops and different kinds of plants in plenty, and due to adverse weather, different kinds of natural disasters visit our country every year. So this is the climate of Bangladesh. Now we will discuss on lesson 2, causes behind climate change in Bangladesh. The students, you know that climate change is one of the common issue in the world, throughout the world, and our Bangladesh is not an except to this problem. So what are the problems that cause climate change in Bangladesh or in the whole world? The first point is the main cause behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. The temperature of the globe of the earth is growing day by day. So what are the reasons behind this global warming? Especially greenhouse gases are highly responsible for global warming. So let's see what are the gases. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and chlorofluorocarbons etc. combined are known as greenhouse gas. These greenhouse gases are highly responsible for global warming. The next point, the increased presence of these gases in atmosphere increases temperature of the earth. Carbon dioxide constitutes the largest portion of greenhouse gases. These gases generated from electricity production, smoke from vehicles, fuel, brick kilns and etc. And the last point is the amount of trees is decreasing day by day. This also causes global warming. So global warming, due to global warming, the temperature of this world is increasing day by day, and the ice in the North Pole are melting. As a result, the climatologist predicts that if this global warming continues, then the lower part of the country and also of our Bangladesh will go underwater. So if we want to prevent this global warming and protect our country, we have to plant more and more trees, because you know that trees absorb carbon dioxide, which is the main culprit of this global warming, and at the same time trees provide oxygen. So we have to plant more and more trees. According to the specialists, that every country should have 25% of his 25% forest in regard of its size, but in Bangladesh unfortunately we have only 17% of forest. So the government and above all we the individuals must contribute to tree plantation programs. So dear students, this is our today's discussion from chapter 7, climate, the climate of Bangladesh and the causes behind climate change. I hope that you have understood today's class. For better understanding, you must read your textbook, and if you have any problem or any question, you can contact me through my phone number and messenger ID. Stay healthy and stay safe. Abide by your parents. Study regularly. Thank you very much and see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.